Namaskar, good morning. My name is Naina Thakkar from Mira Global Kids. How are you kids? I hope you all are safe at your home. And how was your day? Good? And so let's start our session with prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands, start prayer. Everyone, speak with me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now we will rub your palm and touch your eyes. Now open your eyes. So kids, first हम क्या करेंगे? Revision. So look at here. This is a capital letter A and this is a small letter A. Which picture is this? Apple. And what is the color of apple? Red. And what do we get from apple? We get vitamin C from apple. And what is the sound of A? A. After A is letter B. Which letter is this? This is a capital letter B and this is a small letter B. B for ball, B for boy, B for bird, B for boot, B for bear, B for bus, B for bug. And what is the sound of B? B. So which letter will come after B? Letter C. Which letter is this? This is a capital letter C and this is a small letter C. And what is the sound of C? K. C for cat, C for cookie, C for crayon, C for cloud, C for car. So which letter will come after C? Yes, letter D. Which letter is this? This is a capital letter D and this is a small letter D. And what is the sound of D? D. D for duck, D for door, D for day, D for dinosaur and D for dog. So, which letter will come after D? Letter E. Which letter is this? This is a capital letter E and this is a small letter E. And what is the sound of E? A. E for elephant, E for eyes, E for ear, E for egg. So, which letter will come after E? Yes, letter F. Which letter is this? This is a capital letter F and this is a small letter F. And what is the sound of F? F for fire, F for five, F for fish, F for frog, F for feet, F for flower. So, which letter will come after F? Letter G. Which letter is this? This is a capital letter G and this is a small letter G. And what is the sound of G? G. G for girl, G for grass, G for glue and G for go. So, which letter will come after G? Letter H. This is a capital letter H and this is a small letter H. H for house, H for horse, H for heel, H for hammer. So, what is the sound of letter H? What is the sound of H? After H is letter I. I am the letter I. I am a ninth letter of English alphabet series. I look like this and this. I say my name E. I say my name I. E. I say my name I. E. E for ink. E for I for ink. I for ice cube, I for igloo. So kids, आज हम कौन सा लेटर करेंगे? Small letter I. Okay. And what is the sound of I? E. I. E. Okay. So let's start our today class work. Take out your English textbook, pick a book, English Magic, open page number 4 to 42. Half page is your class work and another half page is your homework. So look at the board. Write down CW and write down date. So today's our class work, page number 42 in textbook, half page is your class work, and today's our homework, page number 42 in textbook, other half page is your homework. So आज हम कौन सा लेटर करेंगे? I. Which letter is this? This is a small letter I. And what is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. I for ice cream, I for ink, I for igloo, I for ice cube. Okay. So how to trace letter I? How to trace letter I? Standing line, then dot. ये जो ब्लू लाइन है ना किड्स, उसमें आपको स्टैंडिंग लाइन करनी है एंड ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर यहाँ पे आपको डॉट करना है. ओके. स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड डॉट. I. Which letter is this? I. Standing line and dot. Standing line and dot. I for ice cream. How to trace? How to write letter I? ये जो blue line है उसमें हम standing line करेंगे and ऊपर dot. I for igloo. Standing line. For insect, standing line and dot, standing line and dot. I for ink, standing line and dot. This makes letter I, and I say E. I say E, standing line and dot. This makes letter I, and I say E. Standing line and dot. This makes letter I and I say E. Standing line and dot. Which letter is this? This is a small letter I. Now our class work is done. So take out your English textbook. Open page number 4 to 42. Write down CW and date. And write down here HW. Which letter is this? This is a small letter I, जो अभी हमने बोर्ड में किया. So अब हम क्या करेंगे? होमवर्क. Trace the letter I. Which letter is this? I. Trace the letter I. So kids यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Find all the small letter I and then trace it. Okay. So where is the small letter I? This one? No. This one? Yes. So trace standing line, then dot. Where is the small letter I? Where is the small letter I? Yes. Here. So standing line and dot. So in second row, where is the small letter I? Yes. Here. Standing line, then dot. Where is the small letter I? Yes. Where is the small letter I? In third row, where is the small letter I? This one? No. This one? Yes. Standing line, then dot. Standing line, then dot. Standing line, then dot. Kids, यहाँ पे आपको सिर्फ स्मॉल लेटर आई है उसको ही ट्रेस करना है. ओके. इन फोर्थ लाइन, where is the small letter I? This one? No. This one? Yes. So standing line and dot. Standing line and dot. Now our homework is done in the book. So let's move on our activity part. Take a chart paper and draw ice cream like this. And take a Fevicol. एंड आज हम क्या करेंगे? आइसक्रीम में क्रम्बलिंग. क्या करेंगे? क्रम्बलिंग. ये जो मैंने यहाँ पे क्रम्बलिंग किया है चार्ट पेपर के कटआउट्स का, आपको ये चार्ट पेपर ऐसे लेना है और ऐसे इसको गोल गोल करके आपको इसकी क्रम्बलिंग करनी है। ओके, ऐसे आपको क्रम्बलिंग कर देना है। ओके, सो अप्लाई द फेविकॉल ऑन आइसक्रीम। आज हम क्या करेंगे? क्रम्बलिंग। आई फॉर आइसक्रीम, आई फॉर आइसक्रीम। सो अब ये जो हमने क्रम्बलिंग किया है वो हम 1 बाय 1 इसमें स्टिक करेंगे। ओके, आई फॉर आइसक्रीम। यहाँ पे मैंने मल्टी कलर की क्रम्बलिंग की है। आपको भी जो कलर आपको अच्छा लगे उसको आप ऐसे क्रम्बलिंग कर सकते हैं। I for ice cream, I for ice cream, I for igloo, I for igloo, I for insect, I for insect, I for ink, I for ink. And what is the sound of I? E. What is the sound of I? E. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. So look at the kids, our ice cream, yummy ice cream candy is ready. How look like they look so very beautiful, right? So please parents help your child for class work, homework and activity. So आज हमने आइसक्रीम कैंडी में क्या किया था? क्रम्बलिंग। ओके, आप यहाँ पे कोई भी कलर का कट आउट करके उसको आप क्रम्बलिंग कर लेना। ओके, so thank you.